So that means starting from, you say, so my line is maybe, you say, starting from here to here, I put 4 pixels, but you take 3 pixels. So this is 1 pixel, this is second pixel, this is third pixel. I'll put like this. If you take your line is like this. So when you scan it, it should generate 3 pixel width. So then when you wanted to convert automatic semi-automatic, so it will generate a thinning of this line, it will generate a center one, it will take and generate a line. So that means this line has to be scanned in 3 pixels width. So then only it will be useful for semi-automatic. The line should be at least 3 pixel width. You should take. The resolution of 300 to 600 dpi is the most sufficient one. And in case of photogrammetric applications, so it is more precise and more accurate measurements can be made. We are talking about 800 to 2400 dpi. In case of hard copy output, 2 times the resolution of the printer. That's what we require. So what I said earlier is something like a suppose the scanning resolution is, what I said earlier is 0.5 mm. So you have seen this already. This is 0.5 mm. So then you convert into dpa. It is equal to 50 microns. So here he said 1 micron is equal to 10 to the power of minus 6 meters or 10 to the power of minus 4 centimeters, equivalent to 10 to the power of minus 3 millimeters. 10 to the power of minus 3 means 1 by 1000. So that becomes, say 10 to the power of minus 3 means 1 by 1000. So that becomes a 1000 microns. So that becomes a 1000 microns. So that means 1 micron is equal to 1 millimeter is equal to, say then 1 millimeter is equal to, it becomes 1000 microns. So you can say 1 micron is equal to 1 by 1000 millimeters. So this 1000, 1 micron is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 millimeters. So equal to 1 by 1000 millimeters. So your millimeter will be here, this will go here. So that means 1 into 1000, it becomes 1000 microns, 1 millimeter is equal to. So that's what it is explaining. So coming back to that 508 dpi, so it is 508 dots are scanned in 1 inch. If you talk about 1 inch, there are 508 dots. So you just write 508 dots is equal to 1 inch. So the 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeters. So hence the size of 1 dot is equal to 2.54 centimeters. So suppose I wanted 1 dot multiplied by this. So 1 dot equal to, it comes this side. So 2.54 divided by 508. So that comes as a 0.005 centimeters. So then you convert into that millimeters, 0.05 millimeters. So that means we talked about the resolution 0.05. Finally we converted into 500. This is equivalent to 508 dpi or 50 microns. Or this is the size of that. So in a digitizer scanner technology terms, we use a dots per inch dpi. So that means 0.05 mm is equal to 0.5 multiply 1 mm is equal to 1000 microns. So it is equal to 0.05 multiplied by 1000. It becomes 50 microns. I hope you all understood what I am telling. So I just wanted to test your ability or how fast you are able to, whether you understood. There is some problem in explaining myself, or you are good in grasping the things you already understood. I wanted to give a simple problem so that you can solve the problem and come back to me. So I hope It's better if you are there in front of me, but anyhow, let us see how we are able to do the solution for this. There is a problem I am giving. So suppose there is a topo sheet which is of the scale of 1:50,000. Carefully listen. So there is a topo map, a 1:50,000 scale, and then you scan the topo map and then generated a scanned topo map here. If the minimum width of the contour, earlier I said the minimum width of that the line is 0.05 mm. So in this case, the minimum width of the contour is 0.05 mm. That is, it is 1/4 of the mm, and the map is scanned at what resolution? It is scanned at 0.083 mm. See, your contour is there 0.25 mm. Your map is scanned at 0.083. Earlier 0.05. That is in case of your map, what I shown that 0.05 micron, and that was coming around 508 dots per inch. So in this case, it is 0.083 mm. And then you can also work out in for how many dots you can place, and then similarly you can work out at what DPI the map is scaled. So 3 pixel width. Why I wanted to scan at 0.083 mm is, if the contour is there 0.25, I should scan this one at 3 pixel width. That means I should get 3 pixels in 0.05 mm. So 1 pixel width, if you take 0.083 multiplied by 3, it is equivalent to 0.25 mm. So that means I am scanning my map. You should know that at what width each pixel has to be, and then you can work out what is the DPI. So finally, when you go to the scanner, the scanner will ask you that put the DPI. It will not ask you that I wanted to scan at 0.25 or 0.083. So that you have to internally work out. And then you should also know that at what width the contour line is there. If you know that contour line is 0.25 mm and the map is scanned at 1/3 of that each, so that your output is generated with 3 pixels for each contour width. So 3 pixel width for each contour, 1/3 of that is 0.25 mm, that is equal. At what DPI the map is scanned. So that's what you have to work out. Okay. So suppose I say size of 1 pixel I have given 8.0833. It is not 0.8033, it is 0.08.